Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Monese app on your mobile device quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, launch the Monese app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap on Log In. On the login screen, you will find a field to input your registered email address or phone number. Enter your email address carefully without any typos. Then, tap on Log In. Monese will send a verification code to your registered email address. Check your email for the code and return to the Monese app. Enter the verification code in the provided field. If you have set up biometric verification such as fingerprint or Face ID, the app will prompt you. Allow the biometric scan for quick login. If not, tap Skip and proceed. After entering the verification code or completing biometric verification, you will be redirected to your Monese account dashboard. You are now successfully logged in. And that's it. You are now logged into your Monese account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance-related how-tos. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.